In this video, I will show you how to password protect a page in WordPress, and for the purpose of this example, I'll be setting a password for the sample page on my site. So first of all, make sure to be logged into your WordPress dashboard, then hover on Pages and select All Pages. Then look for the page that you wish to password protect, in my case a sample page, and then click Edit. Once the editor loads, on the right you'll see the visibility. Click on it and select password protected, and then set a password. So let me set a sample password like pass1234 as an example. Now it's set. So let me go back to my site, and once I refresh the page, you'll notice that the sample page will be locked. Here we go. So right now it asks me for the password. So in order to unlock it, I'll have to put in my password, pass1234. And just like this, I was able to unlock the page. So I hope you found the short tip useful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.